Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sync Instagram stories with Facebook. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Look for the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner and tap them. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Then, choose Account Center to begin managing your connected experiences. Once in the Account Center, it's crucial to ensure your Facebook account is already listed. If you don't see it, simply add your Facebook account by following the on-screen prompts to log in and confirm the connection. This essential step securely links your Instagram and Facebook profiles, setting the foundation for seamless story sharing. Now head back to the main Account Center screen and select the option labeled Sharing Across Profiles. From there, choose your Instagram profile. You will then see a toggle switch to share your Instagram story to Facebook. Make sure this option is turned on. You can also enable sharing for your Instagram posts here. Finally, create a new Instagram story just as you normally would. Before you hit the share button, quickly verify that the Facebook sharing option is indeed active. Once posted, your story will automatically appear on your Facebook story, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistent content delivery across both platforms with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.